Bonjour, j'espère que vous allez bien aujourd'hui. Let's continue with another video today. You may turn to page 42. Tournez la page 42. In page 42, we are going to learn how to tell time in French. Here we have les heures, the time. Okay? So we have this table, and as you can see, we have two columns. On your left, we have l'heure officielle. On your right, we have l'heure familière. What is l'heure officielle? L'heure officielle is the official clock, and l'heure familière is the unofficial clock, or the unofficial time. We are going to concentrate first on the unofficial time on your right. So this is used on daily life every day. How are we going to ask time in French? To start with, I already listed a new vocabularies which are important for you to know and memorize. Here we have du matin, in the morning. Next we have de l'après-midi, in the afternoon. Next we have du soir, in the evening. Midi, noon. Minuit, midnight. And then we have demi, half. And the next one we have quart. Quart in English is quarter. And finally we have moins. Moins, if we translate literally, means less. Okay, let's have a look. How are we going to ask time in French? To ask time, we say quelle heure est-il? It means which time it is, or what time it is. You remember we have done quelle. Quelle in English could be what or which. But here, quelle heure est-il? The best translation, what time it is. Please take note, heure is a feminine noun, so we use quelle in feminine form, Quelle. Quelle heure est-il? And in order to answer, we use il est. It is. Okay, let's begin with the right side of the table and the ones that I already highlighted here. Okay, let's start with the first one. Quelle heure est-il? Il est 1h du matin. What time is it? It is 1 o'clock in the morning. So it's easy. Il est 1h du matin. It is 1 o'clock in the morning. The next one we have il est 3h05 du matin. Il est 3h05 du matin. It is 3:05 in the morning. The next one we have il est 5h15 du matin. Il est 5h15 du matin. Just now we have seen quart is quarter. So here it means it is 5:15 in the morning. It is 5:15 in the morning. The next one, il est 8h30 du matin. Quelle heure est-il? Il est 8h30 du matin. What time is it? It is 8:30 in the morning. Alright, now we see at the one with the green dot here. If let's say you ask, quelle heure est-il? Il est midi. You remember just now midi is noon. So what time is it? It is noon. Il est midi. It is noon. It is 12 in the afternoon. Okay, how about il est midi moins le quart? Quelle heure est-il? Il est midi moins le quart. This is quite complicated. If you remember, midi means noon, moins means less, quart means quarter. If you can see here, I put it is 11:45 a.m. 11:45 a.m. It is quarter to noon, meaning you have another 15 minutes to 12 o'clock in the afternoon. So, il est midi moins le quart. It is 11:45 a.m. Alright, let's move on. The next one. Il est 1h10 de l'après-midi. So, it is 1:10 in the afternoon. The next one. Il est 3h moins 2 de l'après-midi. Il est 3h moins 2 de l'après-midi. Here it means you have another 2 minutes to 3 o'clock. If you translate literally, it means 3 o'clock less 2. So here it means it is 2:58 p.m. It is 2:58 p.m. You have another 2 minutes to 3 o'clock. So again, you need to understand what does it mean by moins. Okay, so this is quite tricky and you have to do a bit of calculation. Let's move on with the next one. Quelle heure est-il? Il est 6h du soir. This is easy. It is 6 p.m. It is 6 o'clock in the evening. The next one. Quelle heure est-il? Il est 8h du soir. Easy. It is 8 o'clock in the evening. 8 p.m. Il est 9h du soir. Easy. It is 9 o'clock in the evening or 9 p.m. And finally we have quelle heure est-il? Il est minuit. Il est minuit, meaning it is midnight. It is midnight. Alright, so please take note that l'heure familière, we have few important words to know and memorize. Okay, so we continue with the l'heure officielle on your left, the official clock. Alright, please take note when we use the official clock, you don't have to say in the morning or in the evening, or we don't have quarter, we don't have half, we don't have that. Let's begin with the first one. Il est 1h. So here you understand clearly 1 a.m. The next one. Il est 3h05. Easy. 5 past 3 a.m. Next, 5h15. Okay, here easy. 5:15 a.m. The next one, 8h30. Automatically, 8:30 a.m. 11h45. Here we have 11:45 a.m. The next one, 14h58. 14h58. Here is 2:58 p.m. The next one, 15h. 15h. You know, in official clock, it means 3 p.m. 18h. 18h. 6 p.m. 21h. 21h. Here we have 21. You know that it is 9 p.m. 24h. 24h. Or 0h. 0h. Here we have 24h. It means 12 midnight. So I hope you can watch this video again and again to understand it. And I'll see you in the next video. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.